In this short video presentation, what I'd like to show you is the life as a sales rep within Matrix and Salesforce CRM. So here I'm at the account detail screen that a sales rep would typically start with the customer and or just go right to the actual customer contact itself. From there, the rep is either going to do an opportunity or a quote. Matrix is synced to and linked to the Salesforce quote and opportunity object. So no matter where I begin, I always end up at a matrix order. So therefore, I'm going to start right into a matrix order, as not to lengthen this little video. So this is all about the sales rep working with their particular customer. So I have an order date here that I get from my customer's purchase order, as well as the PO number. I can also input any external numbers for other accounting systems, such as an invoice order number, purchase order number, whatever it may be. Now, again, this is all sales rep. So the sales rep has the billing and the shipping information, as well as our unique ship site capability, along with any notes they would like to put on that particular order that goes to the customer, like thank you. We have the estimated ship dates here of when we think that product might go out, and any special shipping instructions, such as ship, if I can spell complete right, ship complete. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and just add line items from a matrix price book. Now what's unique about our price book is the fact that now the sales rep can come over here and just grab products. They can grab non-inventory items such as managed services, labor. They can go back to that product selection, and we have kits and kit configurators. So if you're interested in a CPQ that's built in, that's just part of Matrix, and we just call it the configurator. So from here, I have my primary product here, the configurator product at $9,000, and I'm going to pick option 1 here, the second one, and it's going to upcharge me $500 times 2, so this product is going to sell for now $10,000. I also have other options, and I can have as many of these option ones as long as the naming convention is correct. I can have, again, as many as I would like for an option. So for here, under option 2 of the configuration, I'll just go with option 2, and I'm going to go with some managed services here as well. From there, the only thing I'm going to do is select save. When I do that, these products are now added to the order. So from a sales rep standpoint, I commit the order, and when I do that, I'm actually done with the order. So now it's off and over into fulfillment, and as a sales rep, I'm off and running. Now, one of the things as the sales rep is building the opportunity, the quote, or the order, the interface is identical. So during all of that, the one thing that you need to know is over on the left-hand side here, you had history, which gives you a history of the last order, the date, and of course the quantity and the price you sold it to that customer for. In addition to that, they have availability. Availability shows in warehouses what I have that's available to actually sell. They can see what's been allocated to orders and what's totally on hand, because this could be an emergency where we need to do something different. So the sales rep can see all of this while they are talking with their customer and while they are building out the order itself. So as a sales rep, I'm done. It was that simple to actually put products on an order and get things moving. Now behind the scenes, we created what is called a price book. And within that price book, we have the ability to create price books that are specific for customers, where we can put in list price, and then we can put in a standard discount off list for that particular customer, or we can go in and say, here's the price for this particular customer. So every customer could, in fact, have their own price book. So once again, When the sales rep is adding line items to this order, they don't need to worry about pricing, price books, anything other than getting the proper line items on the order itself and moving it into fulfillment. So the price books are very powerful, extremely unique, and of course we also have vendor price books as well with the cost of goods related to the vendor price book too. So hopefully this little video will help you understand how simple it is for reps just to get things moving through.